Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Rich here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I started trading with just $420 and applied my trusted compounding strategy, a method I've refined through years of experience. This isn't just about multiplying profits, it's about reading the market with discipline, managing risk carefully, and taking advantage of momentum with full control. I'll walk you through the full process, from market analysis to executing entries and adjusting lot size as the balance grows. This video isn't about showing off, it's purely for educational purposes, so you can learn from real results and understand how to build a strong trading foundation. So make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'll continue sharing strategies, tutorials, and real-time trading every single week. Let's get started! Alright, I'm entering a buy position now because this red line is acting as a key price boundary and it has just been broken by a strong bullish candle. When a resistance like this is broken with a solid bullish move, it's often a sign that price could rise further. I also noticed the moving averages have just crossed upward, indicating the buyers are starting to take control and a potential uptrend is forming. So here, I'm simply following the trend, not fighting the market. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, profit. Let's open another chart and move to the next setup. Alright, I just entered a sell position because this red line, which previously acted as support, has now been clearly broken by a strong red candle known as a Marubosu. This type of candle shows strong selling pressure, with a full body and no wicks, indicating sellers are fully in control. If we also check the MACD, there's a clear bearish crossover which confirms the downside momentum. This sell entry isn't random. It's based on market structure, candle strength, and solid technical confirmation. And okay, profit. Strategy executed perfectly. Let's go ahead and open the next market and find another solid setup. Alright, I'm entering a buy position now because I see a potential crossover forming on the MACD indicator. If you look closely, the MACD line and the signal line are getting closer, and that's often an early sign that bullish momentum is about to begin. This kind of crossover is important because it can signal a potential trend reversal. So even if the market is still sideways right now, once MACD crosses from below, it typically means buyers are starting to gain control. Let's see how it goes. Okay, profit. Setup worked exactly as planned. Let's open another market and look for the next opportunity. Alright, I'm entering a sell position now because I see clear signs that the market is about to drop. One of the main confirmations is that the moving average line is starting to curve downward. When a moving average starts to bend down, especially after a flat or bullish phase, it's a strong indication that buying pressure is weakening and sellers are beginning to take control. It's not just about the shape of the line, it's about the market psychology behind the price movement. So this sell decision is based on both market structure and confirmation from the moving average. Let's see the result. Okay, profit. The analysis played out exactly as expected. Let's move on and open another market to find the next opportunity. Attention! You need to understand that the strategy I've shown you in this video is not an ordinary method. This is part of my premium strategy, and I only teach it in full inside the VIP group. There are a lot of so-called profitable strategies out there, but this one has been personally tested and proven by me over the years. And it can reach up to 100% accuracy under certain market conditions. So if you're serious about learning and mastering this strategy the right way, the only way is to join my VIP group. Alright guys, I decided to go for a buy at this moment. The reason is simple yet powerful. I'm just following the ongoing trend. Right now, the market clearly shows a consistent upward movement. We can see that all recent candles are closing above the green line, which I use as a dynamic support indicator. This indicates strong buying pressure, and there's no sign of weakness from the buyers yet. So, as long as this structure holds and the price stays above the green line, I'll keep following the trend. It's a simple strategy, but very effective when applied with discipline. Let's see how it goes. Okay, profit! Let's open the market again and continue with the next analysis. Alright, I decided to enter a sell position at this point. The reason is that a crossover just occurred on the moving average indicator, which I use to confirm trend direction. Also, the price is getting very close to the red line I've marked as a strong resistance area. In this kind of setup, there's a high probability that the price will bounce downward. This combination of technical signals gives me confidence to go short with solid probability. Let's see the result. Okay, profit! Let's open the market again and look for the next opportunity. Alright guys, I decided to enter a buy position in this market, and let me explain the reason in detail. Take a close look at the red line we previously marked as a strong resistance level. In the last few candles, the price finally managed to break through that red line with strong momentum. In technical analysis, when a resistance level is broken, that area often flips into a new support level. This means the trend has now shifted upward. On top of that, we can see that all the candles after the breakout are closing above the red line, confirming that buyers are currently in control of the market. In this kind of condition, I prefer to follow the trend rather than fight it, because the probability of success is much higher. Now let's see the result of this entry. Okay, profit. Let's open another market and continue looking for the next opportunity. Okay, I entered a sell position in this market because two major confirmations occurred simultaneously. First, we have a clear moving average crossover. The fast MA crosses below the slow MA, which is a classic signal that the market is shifting from an uptrend to a potential downtrend, or at least entering a correction phase. Second, we're seeing a bearish MACD crossover. The MACD line crosses below the signal line, and histogram bars are forming below the zero line. This confirms that bearish momentum is increasing. With both the MA and MACD aligning to the downside, this gives me high confidence to take the trade. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, profit. Let's reopen the market and look for the next opportunity. Okay, I decided to place a buy position in this market based on three strong and aligned technical confirmations. First, we can clearly see that the price has broken through the red line, which previously acted as a resistance zone. A successful breakout with a strong candle usually indicates a trend reversal or the beginning of a bullish trend, showing that buyers are now in control. Second, there's a crossover on the moving averages. The fast MA crosses above the slow MA. This is a classic signal that the market is shifting upward. And third, the MACD indicator is also confirming the same direction. The MACD line crosses above the signal line. With all three confirmations, the resistance breakout, MA crossover, and MACD crossover, I entered a buy position to follow the trend. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, profit. Let's open the next market and keep searching for more opportunities. Alright guys, I think that's it for today's trading session. As you can see, the market is starting to lose momentum, and it's no longer ideal for high-quality entries. In times like this, it's better to step back and protect the profits we've already secured. If you want to learn this strategy in more depth and get direct guidance from me, feel free to join the VIP group. There, I'll teach you everything step by step, including how to adapt this strategy to different market conditions. See you in the next video, and as always, you'll stay disciplined in your trading.